today I'm going to make a chalk ball. So what you need is chalk, of course, and then 2 butter knives. Make sure you have a doll if you not want to use them. And if you have, use little straws if you want a ring that you can make. So first get the chalk, put it in the water, and then you can take it out, let it sit for a while, and when you think it's ready, pick it up. Then you start getting the butter knife. Then you basically do this with it until you think how much you need. And then you scrape it off like that. Get it, and then you can basically shape the ball with it or anything that you want. It's okay if you mess up because it's really hard to not mess up on them. So I messed up. Okay. They're really hard to make. So my friend Eden taught me, and her friend Kaya taught her. So they're pretty fun to make, actually. And then when you're done, you get that little guy, put it somewhere that it can dry, then you can wait till it sets. So it turned out really chalky, then you can draw concrete, if you have it in your pocket, because it's able to fit in your pocket. Make sure that they're first hard before you draw on it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe.